let's take a look at the preview app on Mac and I'm on Ventura. So I've got my image here. I can search for preview just going up to Spotlight if I wish at the top here and just type in preview, that will open it. Or I can simply just double click on the image that maybe has been airdropped to me, that I've downloaded off the internet. Maybe I've been emailed a picture of a family photo. So I've double clicked here and you can see that it's opened up the image itself. And so I've got my tools across the top of my preview window here, but I've also got my tools right at the top of my preview window up here. So to find the remove background, we're simply going to go to tools and go to remove background. Now, when my mouse hovers on that, you can see that it's picking up the outline of that subject. So it's going to extract it from the background, which is a new feature that's just come with Ventura. So if I hit that, or actually tap on that, it's going to remove that background. It'll do some magic, artificial intelligence, machine learning kind of technology there. It'll say, do you want to convert it, Paul? And I am going to convert it. So if I press convert here, and you can see that it removes that background. You can also see on the preview on the right, it also removes the background in the preview. So there I can just simply go along. I can undo it if I want, or Command X is how I undo. Or I could redo it, and then obviously that's a PNG image because it's got that transparent background. So I can definitely go up to my file and save that as a PNG file. But that's just a quick look at how you can remove the background of your photos using Preview on Mac Ventura.